Mima.
See?
What?
I think it's leprosy.
Okay. So, what, you think I can cure it?
Yes.
Well,
Spit on it.
how the hell's that gonna cure it?
I think your spit has what?
Curative.
Curative powers?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it does.
It doesn't even hurt.
Well, I don't even know what the hell she's looking at.
Like
The little dark spot there looks like a little.
leprosy.
No, that's a lump. There's a different. I get my knife. I cut her out for you.
Okay.
Okay. We'll just whack her out.
Yeah, we just chop her whole hand off. What the
She's
hell?
on blood thinners. Let's cut her up.
Yeah, let's. A great idea.
Well, we put a tourniquet around her neck, but it didn't help.
Made it faster.
It looks like all it is like you got a bump there.
It looks like
She's been bit.
a blood blister.
Is it dark?
It is dark. Go look at it closer.
Oh, you banged yourself. I get those all the time.
We have leprosy.
No, I got leprosy
You got leprosy too?
on the hands.
On your hands?
Remember? Look at all that. Remember?
Those hands
Huh?
touch me. I suppose I'm going to get leprosy now too.
Well, if your mom's got it, you might as well have it too. What she's gonna touch you.
She can't reach far enough.
She's gonna touch you. She's gonna touch you. She's gonna around touch everybody. Back with the COVID, I gave you leprosy.
That's right. Screw that COVID crap.
That's right.
Leprosy or nothing. I haven't watched the whole thing yet. But he brings up Dave within the first 2 minutes. So I have to see what Dave has to say about this.
I'm taking no more pictures.
Why? You have to.
No, I don't.
Yeah, watch.
No.
Even though we had a pretty light December here in Massachusetts, I think today is December 28th, maybe. I think 28th.
He doesn't even know what day it is.
He doesn't know what day it is.
Another Shedwars surprise. It didn't surprise me, but I think it's a good thing where Mr. Stiff Dave up at Lorrie's World, he is really taking to heart the Shedwars community, and he says he wants to give back even more. So what Mr. Stiff Dave decided to do is he wants to open up his very own club just for us males in the Shedwars community, and I think that's a great idea. And he decided that he would like to call his club Stifler's Lounge, and I think that's a very appropriate name. Because he's Stiff Dave. So
He's got it all wrong.
Stifler's Lounge. Dave, that is a great idea, and thank you for the support. It's awesome that you're willing to participate and, put yourself into the community just a little bit more. Now, for those of you that
it's not gonna be that way,
Mr. Stiff Dave
John.
he is a great guy.
Did you put the other one out?
No, I'm
A
working
little
on
bit
it.
still on the rough side, but trust me, when I first started counseling him a year ago, he was like out there. But now that the counseling, I've done a good job with him. He's
Dude.
been with me, and now he wants to open the Stifler's Lounge just for the Shedwars members, where if If you want to be a member of the Stifler's Lounge, all you have to do, I will leave a link for Lorrie's World, this video right down there, that link. Click on it, watch that video. If you're not subscribed to Lorrie's World, click the subscribe button, but leave
Sorry,
a
that
comment
ain't gonna work
in the
because,
section box
you know,
of Lorrie's
it's
video
open to
and
even
say,
the women.
Join Stifler's
Because
Lounge.
I have a
And
little
you will
girl that's
become
going to run
an
mine.
official member of Stifler's
Her
Lounge.
name is Trey Trey.
You will be rewarded
She's in charge.
with me and Robert gladiator challenges, normal ones we do,
So there,
but Stiff Dave
Mankini.
is also yeah, you knew that was going to happen. It never fails. But by becoming a member of Stifler's Lounge, there's going to be a few special gladiator challenges that only Stiff Dave will throw out to all of us male Shedwars members.
no.
Now, Stiff Dave
That's not
couldn't be
the way
outdone
it's supposed to
with
be.
Sarah, the
That's not the way it was going to be, so
Okay,
we
Sarah.
cancel it.
Sure.
We cancel it.
We cancel ours, then that's it. Those Stiff Days Club or nothing.
Barbie Doll Club. That's right, the Barbie Dolls of Shedwars.
No.
Sarah,
I'm not a Barbie doll.
your mother will throw out.
It's
If
other
you're
words,
not
it's
a
John's
member,
doing all this stuff.
then you will
It's
not
all
qualify
John's
for the
idea
special gladiator
and stuff.
challenges. But you don't have to be. Just
I ain't joining.
if you want to be involved in those special club only challenges, then be sure.
I'm not joining
To,
Stifler,
either-
whatever.
If you're a man, subscribe. Go over and join Stifler's Lounge.
Stifler's
If you
Lounge.
want to you want to be a part of Sarah's Barbie Doll Club.
That gotta be,
then just
gotta
go to
be a
the illegal
Atlantic area
I think I
kind of
explained that
name,
enough. If you guys
Stifler.
have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will come back.
Sorry, I'm going back to my.
No, wait.
So, Stiff Dave, thank you for the support. You are awesome. You've come a long way since I started counseling you. And Sarah, you do a fantastic job as well. And thank you for the support. And good luck, Barbie dolls. All right, till next time. Guys, before I go, you see this right here? Have you done this? Support the channel by clicking this right here. You guys stay safe and have fun.
Okay, no, let's talk. Let's talk
I
for a minute.
don't want to talk.
Let's just talk for just a minute.
Why?
Well, what are you gonna do now?
Well, I retired.
You can't retire. I'm just inviting Trey to take everything over.
Well, yeah, but according to Numbnuts, it's all for men. And that's not the way it was, because there were some other
Yeah, what kind of a
women that wanted to join the Stiff Days Club.
sexist, misogynistic thing is that? No women.
I was going to say, isn't that, you might watch out, John. You might start a revolution. Excluding the women. Besides,
Dave likes girls.
I like girls, but besides, I have a girl running the organization, so they're Johnnykins.
Johnnykins.
That's Stiff Days organization, not Steffler or Stifler.
Not Stifler.
Stifler.
Not Stifler. Stiff Dave. Stiff Dave, not Stifler.
Yes. Yeah.
There's a big difference there.
And all women are welcome.
And all women are welcome, but not Barbies.
But
Barbies aren't real women.
I didn't say that. My wife did. So.
Oh, Dave likes Barbies. Sorry.
No, it ain't that I like Barbies. I just never mind. I got enough problems without,
Barbies.
without, yeah.
Okay, well, you better tell him once and for all. It's the Stiff Dave No Gardening Club, not anything
I mean,
else.
he can start his Stifler
And women are
group
allowed.
or whatever he wants, but mine's Stiff Dave Non-Gardening Club. And that's what we do. We non-garden. And women are welcome. Because my president is going to be a woman. She's going to run things.
She's gonna run things.
I'm just going to approve them.
You're just gonna approve them?
Yeah.
Executive order.
That's right.
I'll sign it, but Trey runs it.
That's right.
Well, there you heard it. There you heard it. Dave is not going to be a Stifler. He's not going to have a Stifler's Lounge. And he's definitely not going to have a boys only club. Because he's not allowed. And he doesn't want to anyway. So, to you, John Boy. The Stiff Dave No Gardening Club, however, is hopefully going to be run by Trey, and we will soon come out with some rules and regulations and stuff surrounding that. So stay tuned. Happy Shed Wars. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon.